free audio library.
Hi folks, welcome back again to this wonderful channel. So in this episode, I'm simply going to talk about a product from Mikrotik. And this product actually came recently, and it has not been on the market for quite a long time ago. Okay, this particular product I'm talking about is so wonderful. If I must say anything about it, it's so slick and awesome. Okay, the way it has been designed is so on point. That's what I'll say. It's very nice, very beautiful. I'll say very sexy. Okay, and this product is a product from Mikrotik. This product is what is right behind me. Okay, but I guess few people have come across this product since it was released some few days ago. Okay, and this product's name is RB5009UG+S+IN, and it's the ultimate heavy-duty home lab router. It's actually a rack mount. You can use it at home, you can use it at the offices. It's a very nice router, and let's go into some details of this particular router. It has about 7 times gigabit Ethernet ports. So all the ports on this device is actually a gigabit port. It's a durable metallic case, meaning the case surrounding this particular router is so durable and strong. Even just by the picture of it, you'll be able to notice that this is a very strong device. It has about 1 gig NAND, that's NAND. It has about 1 time 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port. Okay, and it's a powerful quad CPU. So the CPU built into this device is a very powerful quad core. The router OS on this device is router OS version 7. Okay, and this comes with more features and some other unique proprietary Mikrotik features that comes with this particular device. It has an SFP port of 10 gig SFP plus. Or 10. If we talk of SFP, I mean fiber port on this device. This is just about some few details that comes with this device. Okay, in our subsequent as I speak about it, I'm surely going to show you how this device looks like and how beautiful it is. And it has 1 gig DDR4 RAM, okay, which is quite cool for much routing and services you might want to provide to your client or your office. It has a multiple powering options, so it can be powered by 3 means, right? Exciting to see such a device. It's so nice. It makes your server room or wherever you place this router, it beautifies the whole place, and its performance too cannot be queried. So you remember I told you earlier this device can be powered in 3 means, right? The first means to power this device is through the PoE in, which could be through port 1. Okay, as I said, PoE in from Ethernet port 1. You can also use the DC jack, or you can use the 2-pin terminal on the side. Okay, so these are the 3 means you can power this device on, and it's, well, I like it. So you have 3 power options. So in case one fails or one is damaged, you can utilize the other two, right? It's very innovative, Mikrotik, and I give you thumbs up. Now let's talk about the bridging configuration. Under the bridging, we have about 25 bridge filter rules in this device. Okay, and you have about 15-18 bytes of data transfer on this bridge. You have about 512 bytes, 64 bytes. Okay, and at this bridging. If we come to the routing configuration, it has about 25 simple queues, 25 IP filter rules. Okay, and these are the bytes that runs through this routing. It's also unprecedented processing power in such a small form factor. So it's actually a micro device, but very powerful if you compare it to other big brands. So with a simple set of accessories, you can actually mount 4 of these devices into a rack. Yes, for how it has been designed, it's so slick. It's not that big. Could be as a size like this. Okay, it's not that big, so you can mount 4 of this one in a rack, depending on the kind of services you want to serve. Right? The way it has been designed, you actually wouldn't have issues with space. That's if you want to mount other devices as well. So it's very good for you to have such a device like this in your server room. The specifications, okay, the kind of CPU that we have in this device is about 88F7040 1.4 gigahertz. That's the CPU type and model we have in this device. The CPU architecture we have is the ARM 64-bit. ARM 64-bit. The CPU core count we have in this is 4. The size of RAM in this device is 1 gig RAM. And the RAM type is DDR4. Okay. The storage is 1 gig NAND, and the architecture of the storage is NAND. Later you can search for what is NAND. NAND. The number of 1 gig Ethernet ports are 7. Right? Number of 2.5 gig Ethernet ports is 1. Number of 10 gig SFP ports is also 1. Right? The USB port on it is 1. And it's 3.0 type A. Okay? The operating system on this device is Rata OS license level 5. Okay, the switch chip model is 88E6393. The dimensions, operating temperature is from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. So it can both work in the most coldest region and also work in the most hottest region on this earth as well. So basically, these are the things I can speak about this wonderful device, and I'll urge you all to have such a device in your offices and homes, and you will not regret using such a device. Right? Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share my videos as well, because there are more to learn. Thank you very much.
free audio library.